Hello everyone, welcome from Code Village. Today in this video we're gonna see Hero widget of Flutter, and also one more thing, which is how to navigate between screens in Flutter. Now I will make another video, probably the next video, with some complex animation of Hero widget. Now today we're gonna see some basic animation of Hero widget. So let's see. So what is Hero widget? Hero widget is basically when you have common item in screens, and then you can show an animation which just like this one. See, just like this one. It's like this one is shared in this screen. Okay, and when you press the back button, it is placed here, just like shared item. Okay, now let's do this here. I have a fresh project, absolutely nothing inside, a main method and a material.dart package. Now run app, material app, and as a home let's create a class which is my home. Okay, so let's create this class, my home, stateless class. Okay, done. Now return a container here and give it a margin sets.all 10.0, and as a child let's use a simple Flutter logo. Give it a size 60.0. Let's see how it looks. In the meantime, let's create our second screen, which will also contain this Flutter logo. So let's create it. New screen. Okay, it will also have a container, alignment at the center, alignment dot center, child is another the same item, Flutter logo. Okay, Flutter logo, and it will be a bigger size, 200 150.0. Okay, so this is our second screen. From this screen we're gonna navigate to this one, from my home to new screen. Okay, it looks ugly. Let's give it an add bar. Scaffold, let's cut this. Okay, it looks better now. Okay, now what we want, we want to click this one and we want to navigate to this screen, but container widget doesn't provide us something like on tap, right? So for that, let's wrap it with another widget which provides us on tap function. There are several widgets like material button, gesture detector, also inkwell widget. So let me use the gesture detector widget for now. Wrap with a new widget, gesture detector, just to use this on tap property. Now, okay, now we want to navigate to this screen. Now let's see how to navigate between screens. For this we have a navigator widget, navigator dot push. Whenever we want to move navigate forward, then we have to use navigator.push. When we want to go backward, then we have to use navigator.pop. I'll show you that. It takes two parameter, context, and another is route, material page route we're gonna use now. And from here return the new screen. Navigator dot, what's wrong? Oh, we have to use the builder. We have to use this builder property. It takes another anonymous function which takes a build context as parameter, and from here return the new screen. Return new screen. Let's see, it works. Yes, it works. Let's use this scaffold here as well. Bar title in, okay, okay, looks better. Now come to the part hero widget. So we have a shared item, right? This Flutter logo is shared between this screen. Now we can wrap it with a hero widget. So wrap it with a hero widget, this one, hero, and we have to provide a tag here, tag, and we have to use the same tag at the other screen as well. Wrap it with a hero widget and the same tag that you used in the previous screen. Okay, that's all. Let's see the effect. There you go. An animation, shared animation, right? So this is our hero widget. Okay, now let's explore this widget a bit more. Let's see what else we can do with the hero widget. Now we can make a placeholder widget here. Okay, a placeholder widget. So let's do it. For this, it has a placeholder builder property. Takes an anonymous function. First one is context, and the second one is the widget. Widget, and return the placeholder widget you want to show. I want to show the same image, which is Flutter logo. Flutter logo size is also same, but I want to change the opacity. To change opacity, we can wrap it with the opacity widget. Opacity, and change the opacity here, 0.7. Okay, see the effect. What is the error? See, the opacity is seen. The placeholder widget is seen. Okay, so this is another property of hero widget. Now let's see one more. This item is being shared between the screens, so we can also create another widget here between the screen. Okay, it is flying from here to here, right? In between the fly, we can use another item here, another widget. So let's see how. For that, we have a flight shuttle builder property. It takes 5 parameter. 5 parameter. Remember, first one is the build context, second one is the animation, third one is the direction, fourth from context, and the fifth one is the to context. Okay, so 5 context it takes. Okay, now return the widget you want to show between the screen. So let's use an icon here, icons dot this one, give it a size 100.2. okay, that's all. Let's see the effect. A hot reload, and there it is, a shared item. Okay, so this is all about the navigation, screen navigation and hero widget. Now see one more property, one more thing here. We can navigate back by clicking this arrow icon. Okay, so what if we want to navigate by using a widget here, by clicking on a widget here? So for that we can we have to use the navigator.pop. okay, so go to this widget which is here. To use the on tap property we have to wrap it with another widget like gesture detector, just to use the on tap property. On tap, and then navigator dot pop context. Okay, that's all. It's working. Now we can navigate back by clicking here. Okay, now a bonus thing, let's animate this one, which is flight shuttle builder. Let's make it some animating. So repeat with another widget. Flutter makes animation so easy, right? Rotation transition. It takes a child parameter, child property. It has also another property which we must have to use, which is turns to this direction. Actually turns property takes this animation, so let's use it, animation. We format the code and let's see the result. There it is, shared item is now rotating, okay, by just using this widget, rotation transition. So in this video we have seen how to navigate between screens, how to use how to move forward and how to move backward, and also how to use the hero animation. So we have seen three properties, actually this placeholder builder, flight shuttle builder properties of hero widget. So in the next video I will make some complex animation with this hero widget. So till then, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, and thank you.